Hello, it's Alex. Welcome to the Journal Corner. Today I'm really excited to take you through a full reveal of the December Archer & Olive subscription box. I think this box contains possibly my favourite Archer & Olive journal ever, and I've used some of the items for my December journal pages. So take a look on my Instagram at the Journal Corner. Please be aware there are spoilers. Spoiler alert. 4 items have already been revealed, but today I'm going to show you the others. I must say I was fortunate enough to have this gifted. It's actually been in my home for a couple of months now, and I've been really excited to share with you the contents. So first up, you can see the beautiful box as always. So let's take a look. As you can see, beautifully packaged. So we're going to go through the items one by one. So first up we have this envelope, beautiful gold shimmer there, and it is a celestial stencil, a useful tool for creating charts and trackers. Combine the semicircles and sun rays to create a circular chart with the number of wedges you need. I love these stencils from Archer & Olive. They're metal, something a bit different to other stencils I have. My favourite bit on this one is, of course, the weather symbols. So there's a celestial theme on the washi tape, as you can see. And we've also, for the first time, got some pet tape. So this one here, it's an iridescent tape which you would need to cut with scissors. Next, I was really excited to see some acrylographs, especially as it's a new size. So here we've got a 1.3mm nib. Taking a look inside, you can see we've got some metallic colours. Really excited to see the metallic acrylographs from a couple of summers ago are some of my favourites. These are paint pens and they're beautifully opaque, which really help to make solid colours in your journals and also to layer. Recently, Archer & Olive have been including name stickers for you to add to the pens, which I really appreciate, and they stay on a lot better than the ones I make. And let's take a look at the new nib. So it's a nice mid-size between the 0.7mm and the 3mm acrylograph. Okay, next up we have another new item that we haven't yet seen. Beautiful celestial box design here. And I can see that it is a writing pen, but it has white gel ink. So you can see the celestial box design continues on the pen. I've got my black Archer & Olive notepad, not included in the subscription box, just to have a go at testing this pen. So as you can see, it's definitely showing up. You can see how well it shows up on the black paper. Okay, next up is an item that some of you would have seen already. So we have a new size from Archer & Olive. This is a 7x7 squared notebook. So usually the Archer & Olive notebooks are 8x8 inches. This one is a lovely 7x7, slightly smaller size. And another big difference is that it actually has a soft cover. And this one has white dot grid pages. It's their usual 160 GSM. And a lovely moon design on the front cover. And a sun and moon icon on the front. The cover is a blacky silver colour. And it's very sparkly, but it's the type of cover that, although looks glittery, isn't messy or shedding any glitter at all. Next up we have a new item that hasn't been revealed yet. Again, it's this another gorgeous box, moon phase design. And here you can see we have a B6 Pearlescent dot grid notepad. So this is a new size notepad from Archer & Olive. And obviously the pearlescent paper, I'm hoping it shows up on camera. Can you see that shimmer? So we've got a variety of colours as well, which is stunning. So we've got a dark navy. They've all got dot grid on as well. We've got a pinky purple pearlescent colour. We have a gorgeous blue teal colour. We've got gold, perfect with the festive season coming up. We have a steely grey colour and a neutral creamy colour. Again, all with this pearlescent finish, which hopefully you can see. I know I'll be using this for my December bullet journal. I've got a couple of items left. I'm going to save my favourite one till last. So next is something that you might have seen already. This is an A5 journal cover, vegan leather, and we have a celestial design. Got pockets inside, neutral suede material inside, which is really lovely. And there's a magnetic closure. It's on the back as well, the celestial pattern. I really love the Archer and Olive journal covers, and they're great for protecting your journals if you want to take them out and about. And my one from a subscription box a couple of years ago is still lasting really well. So last item, which literally took my breath away when I opened it, is another journal, another notebook. Again, we've got these gorgeous spine designs on the box now. And look at these stars, just stunning. High hopes for inside. This is a dot grid notebook, 192 dot grid pages of the usual 160 GSM paper. So let's take a look. It's an A5 size, which I know a lot of you will love. How pretty. So this journal is A5. It has a beautiful starry decoration on the front, like the stars are falling, and is a bluey grey. It's actually a linen cover, which is my personal favourite. But wait until you see this. So obviously we've already had one that with white dot grid pages, but look at this, just beautiful. I've wanted to try a dark blue, dark navy journal for so long. Just stunning. So obviously we've been given a white gel pen in this subscription box, which would be ideal for this. I imagine the acrylographs will work really well. I can't wait to try those. Beautiful detail on the inside of the cover as well. So I really look forward to using this for something. I'm not sure yet what. Hopefully I will find a purpose for it, because it is beautiful. I would be tempted to keep it in its box on a high shelf, but I will try and use it, I promise. So there we have it. There's all the items revealed from the December 2023 Archer and Olive subscription box. Thank you once again to Archer and Olive for gifting me this box. I am on their ambassador team again this year, which I'm really enjoying. Thank you for watching today. I hope you have enjoyed seeing the box. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment for your favourite item, and come and say hello on my Instagram @The Journal Corner.